Thank you very much. I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I'm grateful to each and every citizen of the city. With this type of mandate, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, alam ko sa June 30 pa ako uupo, baka naman kung may visa pa yung salita ko ngayon. Ito naman, nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing each other. Too many words, hurtful words, thrown to us and to you. I know. But sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory. Kaya nananawagan ako sa inyong lahat, paupahin nyo na ang damdamin ninyo. Huwag tayo mag-away-away. Let's move on with our lives. We must work together because together we can make